What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back at the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. Let's go see what's up, you guys. Did I say Santa Clarita Clearance Center? The Nike Clearance Center in Santa Clarita. Yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. Haven't been here too often lately. Hopefully we can find something. What day is it? Thursday? Thursday, y'all should be seeing this the next day. Yeah, let's see what happens. I don't have my watch on. It's close to closing. I think there's 45 minutes up to those place closes. Yeah, let's start with the size 10.5s. We saw these at Foot Locker for 50 bucks. I don't know what size they had though. So these are going for $80. Okay. LeBrons, these are going for 80. I think that matches the cheapest we've ever seen it. So that's actually a really good price. The Uptempo 95s going for 70. What's this? What's this right here? The drop types going for 40 bucks, pretty reasonable. Still got quite a few of these. The KD 13s. These are the Planet of the Hoops. Man, I'm like a huge fan of this colorway. I don't know why. It's got some dope writing on it, writing pictures, stuff. Yeah, these are going for what? $70, $69.99. Air Max 2090s going for 70. Air Max 200s, these are down to 50 bucks. We are still in the size 10.5s. These are the Realtree boots. The Realtree Air Force One boot. Some of you guys on the East Coast might find this useful. Yeah, we definitely don't need this in California or Southern California. I do like the Realtree stuff, man. I'm a huge fan of that. I did forget to show you guys the hugest box ever. They are going for $100. So you got 720s going for 80 bucks. And Zoom Flies going for 50, super dope. Checking out the size 10s now. Still got the Flight Posits. Knicks colorway going for 100 bucks. LeBrons, these are the LeBron John Elliott's. 100 bucks for these bad boys. All right, we are starting to see a bunch of PGs here now. PG4s, $50 for this colorway. Pretty dope. Seeing the prices on these go down at the outlets too, matching the retail stores. That's what's up. More 720s going for 80, size 10. More of the Planet of the Hoops. PG4, the bright colorway, going for $50. Wow. Got these. Can't believe they still have these. They had these a year ago. These have been here for about a year. I think they've been sold and then they make their way back, I guess. Air Max 97, the clots going for $70. You got the utility version of the Vapor Max, the DSVMs go for $80. Pretty solid deal. Size 11s now, you guys. Air Max 180s. These are the Ambush going for $70. I always get these mixed up with the Fear of God, man. Got some Penny 5s. I was like, is this a Miami colorway or the South Beach colorway? Okay, this is kind of a dope colorway. I don't think I've seen these for the Penny 5s. Going for 70 bucks, not too bad. Nike XRs? What the heck? I've never even heard of that. Boots? Okay, those are some pretty dope looking boots going for 70 bucks. Normally $150, pretty solid price. But you got some 270 Mars going for $70. Got an Airmore Up-Tempo mixed with the Air Max 2016s. Dang, that's interesting. But yeah, that's the Air Max Flare going for 70 bucks. I know we've talked about this. Make sure everybody knows all sales final here, you guys. Nothing over $100 as well, which is pretty dope. But they also don't have any discounts, which kind of sucks. But like I said, if you find a premium sneaker here, usually do get a really solid deal. We're in the size 12s. Let's look around here. So you got the Shox TLs, I think these are called. One of the premium Shox. Got the Shox all the way to the very front. Normally $170 down to $80, so more than 50% off. Not too bad. Those of you guys that like running shoes, Odyssey Rackfinded 2s going for 50 bucks, pretty solid. Jordan Maxim 200s going for 60. Pegasus Turbos going for $80. Blue colorway, not too bad. What is this? Like a Dolphins color? Oh, okay. The 270 Futuras go for $60. Got the Airmore Moneys, you guys. $35. $35. These bad boys started at what, $160? Who's rocking these for $35, you guys? 35 bucks. The midsole and the outsole on the bottom, totally the exact same as the Uptempo 96 or the Air Max Uptempos. Even the back kind of similar, but the front and the sides way different. I don't know. 35 bucks, worth it, you guys? More 720s still go for 80 bucks. Checking out the 13s, you guys. Looking out for the big feet gang. See what's up. These Hyperdunks? Rarely ever find Hyperdunks. Dang, the Hyperdunk 10s. I think this is when they went back. They went back to the. This is the one where they went back to the Zoom Air. Yeah, this dope silhouette, you guys. No, some people love these. These are always sell quick. Normally $60. Oh, that's a 13 and a half. 13 and a half. You never see 13 and a half. What? That's insane. That's a Metcon 4Ds going for 60 bucks. More of these going for 50s. Still size 13. More Hyperdunks. These are the all white ones. Oh, these, damn, look at that. $130. Whoa, that's super interesting. I think this is wrong. This is marked wrong because they're not supposed to have anything under over 100 bucks. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, see, I told you guys, $59.99. Nothing over $100 here, you guys. Nothing over 100 bucks. That is a hell of a deal for some Hyperdunks, you guys. Because I know some of you guys are resellers. These do have resale value, so not bad. These Jordans fooled me. I was like, what are these? Nah, these are the Diamond Mids going for 50 bucks. Oh, these are dope. 98s, you guys. Air Max 98s. All black. They got that reflective right there. Dang, those are fire, you guys. What these going for? Going for $70. That's a hell of a steal for you size 13 people, man. That's dope. I guess I moved over to the size 12 and a half. These are going for $70. The cruise runs. Got that fat stack of React in the back. They do got these here, size 9 and a half. Got a couple pair go for 100 bucks. Not too bad for that. Got more of the Air Pennies. The go for $70. Tailwinds going for $70. Still in the 9.5 section. What are these? Air Max Up-Tempo 95s go for $70. No, these are the Spiridon Cage 2s. I've seen these in a while. Go for 60 bucks. I think it's for tennis, right? $60. Dang, look at this. Metcon Flyknit 3s go for $30. $30. If you guys are gym rats, man, that is dope. This is primarily for lifting weights and stuff like that. Dang, this even has suede in the back and then Flyknit in the front. $30? That's a steal, you guys. Wow. These are the React ones. No laces. Those are going for $70. Dang, we're just seeing a plethora of PG4s. All going for 50 bucks. That's a 9.5. That's a size 9. They got the Black History Month Converse. The Chuck Converse go for $40. Dang, I was gonna go to the size 9, but the Daybreaks, man, these are super dope, you guys. Kind of a fan of these. 50 bucks though. If you can find it for a little bit cheaper, that'd be dope. 50 bucks is a pretty good price, under 50%. Damn. Size 9. Size 9, we are getting used to seeing a bunch of the LeBrons here go for 100 bucks. Got the lows right here. These are going for 80. Pegasus Turbos, 80 bucks. This is the colorway I do have. I have the women's version of this. Looks the exact same, dude. I was able to get mine for 40 something. These are going for 80. Still in the size 9. Got plenty of these. The Zoom Rookies go for 100 bucks. Got some Jordans, not signatures. These are what the Jordan Big Funds. I don't think too many people are messing with these. Going for $60. Got some Air Max 95 Premiums going for 80 bucks. Got some more Air Max 95s going for 80. Not too bad. All right, smaller sizes, 8.5 and below. See what's up. Okay, dude got some Hyperdunk lows. Interesting colorways. $60 is a freaking steal. Dude, these tailwinds, I'm such a fan of this colorway. $70 for these. Normally $160. That cream colorway is like really nice. Did someone pull the switcheroo KD13s? Did someone pull the switcheroo on that? That's hilarious. 95 utilities go for $80. Yeah, this is size 8. Drop types going for 35, size 8s. Pegasus Turbos, 80 bucks. Smaller sizes, not much, you guys. 720s going for $80. Dude, really? Wow, we always been talking about how these get no respect. Look at this, $35. $35 for the Olympic colorway of the Shock BBs, and they actually had this in my size for $35. I think I'd have to pull the trigger for $35. Wow, that's insane, you guys. $100 for these? These are still going for $100? What the heck? I'm looking and I'm in the 7.5s. I think they had those licensed. I think they're gone. Did they just give those away? There's no way someone bought those. Dang. They're finally sold after being here for what, a year and a half? Holy crap. Check the 7.5 real quick. They close in 10 minutes. Vomero 14s are here. Go for $40. 8.5? Okay, $80 for these. $30 for these. Size 7? Wow. Size 6.5. It's a Nike ID, the PG4s. Interesting colorway. Go for $60. Bunch of these soldiers. They're going for 60, size 7. Dang, more of these. Dang. Going down to 30. That's a size 5. All right, we got like 8 minutes, you guys. We're going to check out some of the clothes because, yeah, I think I see some stuff. Of course, we're going to start with the Lakers. Oh, this is kind of thin. I thought it was going to be way thick. But yeah, $60 for these. C size small. They got some XLs and stuff. That is dope with the Lakers logo in the back. And it's normally $150 going down to $60. Holy crap. Alright, I have no clue who that is. 26 Bell. But yeah, let's go for $60 with the sewn on jersey and stuff. Pretty dope. I have a feeling he's not with the Jets though. Chargers. Got some Gordon printed jerseys, go for 30. Sue. He's not with them still, is he? Going for 30. Normally $100. This is the screen printed one. $20 for the Stranger Things shirts. Pretty dope. Jordan jackets going for $30. This is a size small. Jordan hoodies. These Jordan hoodies go for $30. This is I think that's an XL. Oh, it's a medium. Dang. Isn't this the dope one that I saw at the store? I was like, oh, this is hella dope. $30. $30 for these. These are going for what, 90 at that other spot? 80. They're going for 80. Holy crap. They got the green one. Oh man, this would fit so perfectly with the Jordan 5. Oh man. They got a few here. I can always come back to get them. It's a pretty dope, simple Jordan hoodie. It's an XL going for 30. This jacket right here is pretty dope. $40 for this jacket. It's a size small. Got the old school look to it. Dude got them in XL. Still got Oregon stuff. Going for $15 for the long sleeves. Jordan hoodies going for $30. That's the XL. All right, they did close. I wasn't able to get anything for my winners, giveaway winners. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow, you guys. Tomorrow, the day after. All right, let's wrap it up, you guys. Let's wrap it up. Dang it, ran out of time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys making it to the end of the video. Yeah, the deals are okay. Nothing like super crazy. I do think that the deals here are just as good as the retail stores, if not better now, because I think the retail stores are pretty mediocre now. The deals are kind of getting not so good. So yeah, the apparel still here is just amazing. The apparel deals I think are the best. That's where you're gonna get the most savings. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys help your boy out, press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, click that notification bell as well. And yeah, you guys know I'm gonna have another one. See you guys next one. Peace.